Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about the regular expressions in JavaScript. Okay, what is regular expression? How we can write means a regular expression. It's like a sequence of characters. Why we go for regular expressions means, for example, I have one string is there. I have one input string is there. That input string following some pattern or not. Okay, I decided my string should be follows email pattern. That string following the email pattern or not, I want to check. For example, I have the phone number. Okay, only 10 digits I want to accept. That particular input following that particular 10 digits pattern or not, I want to check. That type of things we can handle by using regular expressions in JavaScript. So let's start with some examples. You can get some more idea. So open Visual Studio Code. Before that, just run some JavaScript code in developer console window. Open that one. Now see this. Just I want to write one regular expression. For example, where my expression is equals to, just you can write like A, B, C. Okay, if you want to create a regular expression, you can create, okay, these slashes in between, you can write the expression. That is one way. Another way is like by creating an object for the regular expression class, regexp class. Both are like same. Now see, I created one expression. Now I have an input is there, where my input equals to, for example, BTS. This is my input. See, this is my regular expression and this is my input. Now this input following this pattern or not, I want to check it. So how we can means my regular expression contains one of the method called as a test. Okay, you can put your input text here. Now if I click on this one, see, it gives me the false. Why? Because I am expecting exactly it should match with ABC. Exactly ABC I want in my input string. But here BTS is there, so that it's not, my input string is not matching with this pattern, so that it returns me false or not. Like this one you have to concentrate. This part you have how to create an expression, and then you can test it. Whatever the input you have, you can test it. This input is matching with the pattern or not. For that, in regular expressions, in JavaScript regular expressions, some predefined things are there. Okay, the first one is, let me open Visual Studio Code. I want to write those things. The first one is some of the character classes. Character classes you have. Okay, what are those? What are those? For example, in your regular expression, if you find like A, B, C, what it means, if this expression in your regular expression, okay, this set of characters in your regular expression, it means in your input string either A or B or C is there, yes, it is going to satisfy with this particular pattern, either A or B or C. Okay, this is the pattern. So if you want to write, you can write it where my reg equals to, this is my expression A, B, C. So in the past, these braces are not there. Exact matching that is. Now here, either A or B or C is there, it's okay, fine. Now see my reg.test. Okay, here I'm going to write like A. Is there or not there? Yes, it's like true. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, then also true. Why? Because my A is there or not, it's going to check. Yes, it is like matching. Either A or B or C is there, it's okay, it's satisfied. Then the it returns me true. Now the next one is like the same thing, you can put it the same thing with not, okay, means how we can put like not, the cap symbol. Okay, either A or B or C is there, it's satisfied. Here either A or B or C, other than A, B, C, any other character is there, then the time it is going to satisfy. Other than A, B, C, in the past A, B, C is there, then the time returns me true. Here other than A, B, C, any character is there, then the time it is going to return true. That is the one. The next one, A to Z. A to Z. My Z character is not working. Let me take from here. A to Z. This is my website. Just you can take this. A to Z. This is the one. What it means, all lowercase letters, all lowercase characters, okay, starts with A, ends with Z. In between, you can write any lowercase letters. Okay, in your matching string, in your input string, any character, okay, with small case, okay, lower case in between A to Z, then that time this particular A to Z pattern is going to match, it returns me true. Okay, if you want to check, you can check it. If you want to check, you can check it. Say this, where my regular expression equals to, what is that, A to Z. Copy from here, A to Z. A to Z, you can take it. This is my expression. Reg dot test of. Okay, if I put like numbers like this, then the time it should return false. Why? Because it is only for the characters in lowercase. Okay, only the alphabets, not characters. Alphabets in lowercase. Now, if I put like this, ABC, it should work. Okay, here if I put like some capital letters like this, it should work. Why? Because yes, my character satisfied or not. Okay, ABC is there or not, it is going to check. It's there. Other than this, is not think about this one. My ABC, some of the characters or some of the alphabets lowercase is there or not, it's going to check. If it is there, then that it returns me true. That's it. The next one, capital A to Z. Capital A to Z, you can say. Okay, the same, it's working like this only, but the thing is it is looking for capital letters, capital alphabets. The next one is like the both you want. If you want the both, okay, here, come here, if you want both, then that time you can use like this. You can use like this. I want lower alphabet letters as well as uppercase alphabet letters, then the time you can use this one. The next one is like only digits you want, then the time you can put like 0 to 9. Here I want the digits as well as alphanumerics. If you want, then the time you can write like this, 0 to 9. Okay, other than alphanumerics, if you want, other than alphanumerics is nothing but only special characters. If you want, then the time you can use this one only if you want to satisfy the special characters. Okay, so these are, we can say, like a character classes. Some of the predefined character classes also there. Those are like yes and small, biggest and smallest. Smallest is nothing but, okay, if you have the space in your input string, then the time it returns true. Other than space, if there is no space, nothing is there, then the time it is going to return true. Yes, smallest and biggest. The next one, D. If you have any digits, it's working like this, digits, then the time it's like returns me true. Okay, big D is nothing but other than digits is nothing but what? Either special characters or either alphabets. Then the time it returns me true. The next one is like W, small w. Is like a alphabets as well as numbers, alphanumeric, then the time you can use like W, small w. It is equals to this one. Okay, other than alphanumeric, then the special characters, then you can go with the uppercase W, capital W. These are the predefined character classes. The next one, quantifiers are there. Quantifiers means only A is there. If you write only A, exact A is there, then only it's going to match exact A. If you put like this, A is there or not, check. Other than that, other than A, any other things are there, it's not a matter. If you put like A, exact A is going to match. The next one, A plus, if you put A plus like this, A plus. Okay, let me close this one. Yeah. A plus. A plus means minimum one, maximum any yes. Minimum one, maximum any. Minimum 1 year should be there. The next one, A star is there. A star is nothing but minimum 0, maximum any. Minimum 0, maximum any. Okay, if A is there, no problem. A is not there also, no problem. Okay, then that it returns me true. The next one is like A question mark, we can put it. A there or not there, either 0 or 1, that's it. Okay, not more than that, not more than that. This is the quantifiers. The next quantifier also there. Here I want to copy from here the quantifiers. Okay, exact match. Okay, just exactly I want 5 years. Then the time you can put like a of 5. Okay, here you can put like a number. Okay, if you want to tell like minimum 1 year, maximum 4 years in between, if you want, then the time you can go with okay m comma n with these braces like this. Quantifiers are going to work. Exact a is there, then the time it's going to match this one. Multiple a's are there matching this one, either 0 or any number matching this one. This one is like 0 or 1. Here exact 5 years, here exact minimum 2, maximum 5. Okay, like this if you want, then the time you can go with this. Okay, let me show you the quantifiers how we are going to use. Okay, come here, just write one expression where my regular expression equals to, just I want to write like a. I want to write like a. Okay, now see regular expression dot test of. Okay, if I write like a, yes, it's matching, exact match. Okay, if I write like b, then the time a is there or not, it's going to check. Yes, a is there. A is there. Now, if I write my expression like this, if I write my expression like this, okay, plus like this, plus like this, it means minimum 1, maximum any number. Minimum 1, maximum any number. Now come here, a plus here, right? Okay, here regular expression dot test of, you can write like a, then the time say this, it's like true or not. Minimum 1, maximum any number, any number. Okay, here you can I want to explain with replace method in the string. Okay, here you can understand. See, I have one string is there where my str equals to abc aaa def like this. I want to replace this a. I want to replace this a with z. So that how we can replace str dot replace my a with the z with x, for example. Yes. See this, my a replaced with x. Okay. What about remaining yes? Remaining yes is not satisfied. Remaining yes still there or not. So in my string, wherever minimum 1a or maximum any number of years are there, you should have to replace that yes with x or not. That means you have to write one regular expression here like this: minimum a, maximum any number of years. Okay, minimum a, maximum any number of years, any number of years. Okay, now if you come here, still it's like x only. You have to check what, not only here total string you have to check. Then the time you have to write like a g is nothing but a global. Now if you come here, see this, my x replaced. Okay, this particular one, all a's replaced with what, x or not. Minimum 1a, wherever it is, that is replaced with x. More than 1a, 1 or minimum any number of years, all here first one is like 1, so that replaced with x. After that 1 to any number, here see 1 to any number is not, 3 a's are there globally. Globally is nothing but it's going to check for total string. Okay, now see this particular one matching with this 3 a's also or not, it's replaced with what, x or not. This is the way it's going to work. Got it or not? Okay, now this is my string. This is my string. For example, I want each and every a should replace with x. Then the time do one simple change. Okay, each and every a, wherever in the string global, okay, just replace with x. See this, the first a replace with x, a replace with x, a like this. Okay, plus if I put, then the time wherever the group of a's are there, okay, plus is nothing but what, minimum 1, maximum any. Wherever minimum 1, maximum any number of a's are there, those all are replaced with what, replaced with x or not. This is the way it's going to work. Okay, you can find any regular expression for email. For example, this is my regular expression for email validation. Okay, you can take one of this one. You can take one of this one. Now, this is my pattern. This is my expression. Is it working as expected or not? If you want to check, say this. This is my pattern. This is my pattern. I want to test my pattern dot test of. Okay, yes. Is it like a correct email format? No, false. SS at the rate Gmail. Okay, false. Mail dot false. Here, if I put like dot com, then only it is like an exact email pattern or not. Okay, it's matching with this particular pattern or not. Like this. This is my input string. It's matching with this pattern or not. If you want to check, then you can go with the regular expression. First of all, you have to decide the pattern and then you can check that particular string or input string is matching with that pattern or not. You have to check it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.